Justice Dhananjaya Yashwant Chandrachud is set to take over as the 50th Chief Justice of India after the country's top judge UU Lalit formally recommended him as his successor on October 11th. As per procedure, the government seeks a recommendation from the CJI to name their successor. Today, CJI Lalit handed over the letter naming 62-year-old Justice Chandrachud as the next top judge of the country. CJI Lalit will demit office on November 8th after serving a brief tenure of over 2 months. Justice Chandrachud will be sworn in the next day and will remain in office till November 10th, 2024. As per protocol, the senior-most Supreme Court judge serves as the Chief Justice of India. The CJI's recommendation for their successor follows this protocol. As a judge of the Supreme Court, Justice D.Y. Chandrachud has been part of benches that have decided several crucial rights-based issues. He was part of benches that decriminalized homosexuality, decriminalized adultery, and allowed women in the Sabarimala shrine. Orders for live streaming of the apex court proceedings for the public, the historic judgment in the long-standing Ayodhya dispute, and a permanent commission for women in the armed forces were also passed by benches that Justice Chandrachud was part of. More recently, a Justice Chandrachud-led bench passed the historic judgment that extended the right to abortion to all women regardless of their marital status and proceeded to expand the scope of this right to all persons in need of abortion without restricting the same to cisgender women. Before he was appointed to the Supreme Court in May of 2016, Justice D.Y. Chandrachud served as the Chief Justice of the Allahabad High Court for almost 2.5 years. He was appointed as a judge of the Bombay High Court, his parent High Court, in 2000. Prior to being elevated as a judge of the High Court, Justice Chandrachud practiced before the Bombay High Court as well as the Supreme Court. He was designated as a senior advocate in 1998 and later also appointed as the Additional Solicitor General up until his elevation as a judge.